Let's examine the facsimile of the Book of the Eighth Sphere. Made for a member of the Alvarez de Toledo family in the 16th century, the manuscript is a catalogue of constellations. It is a Spanish translation of an Arabic text by the Persian astronomer al-Sufi. The handsome book was copied directly from one made centuries earlier at the court of Alfonso the Wise, King of Castile and Leon, to whom the Spanish-language text is attributed. The earlier manuscript has been mutilated, so the 16th century copy is an essential witness to Alfonso's text. It is called the Book of the Eighth Sphere because it treats the fixed stars that pre-modern science assigned to the celestial sphere beyond those of the 7 moving stars, or planets. Each constellation is pictured in the center of a page, with the stars indicated by gold dots. Descriptions of the individual stars that make up the constellation radiate out to fill a circle that occupies the width of the page. These range from just 2 stars to more than 40. Various motifs fill the spandrels, including barrels and human heads. Especially charming are the ships tossed by stormy seas in the corners of the page devoted to Andromeda, the chained lady. One features a hapless sailor, his arms raised in alarm. The flames atop the altar of the constellation Ara extend into the spandrels. Clusters of grapes adorn the page for Taurus. The 4 winds are represented as heads with curly blonde hair and puffed out cheeks. Only one, the east wind of classical antiquity, retains its name on a banderole. The page for Ursa Minor, originally the first painted diagram, includes representations of the Alvarez de Toledo coat of arms. These reigning Dukes of Alba must have appreciated the high artistry of their star catalogue as much as we do now. The facsimile was published by Club Bibliófilo Versol in Spain in 2015.